Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about ellipse and ellipse arc command. In the command line, after the spline command you have the ellipse command. If you just keep the cursor on this, it will show you the description. It creates an ellipse or an elliptical arc. So by using this command you can create ellipse or elliptical arc. There is another command that is called elliptical arc. Just if you click on this, it will ask you to specify the end point of ellipse or arc or center. Let's choose the option center. You have to specify the center point, and after that, if you don't switch on the ortho mode, it will not be in the straight line. So you have to switch on the ortho mode, and then you can give the dimension, that is the radius. You can give either in the horizontal direction or in the vertical direction. First I will show you in the horizontal direction. So I'm going to give the radius as 200 feet, and in the vertical direction I'm going to give the radius as 100 feet. See, you have the ellipse now. If you just measure the distance, you will come to know. See, it is 400 feet. That is diameter is 400 feet. Half of that we have given as 200 feet. Let's measure in this direction. It is 200 feet. I have given 100 feet, but the total length is 200 feet. In this way you can draw ellipse. Again I'll show you. You have to select center point, specify the center point. Now let's draw in the vertical direction. First I'm going to give 300 feet as the radius, and then next in the horizontal direction I'm going to give 200 feet as the radius. In this way you can draw the ellipse in the horizontal and vertical direction. Let's erase this. Next let's use this ellipse arc command and draw the elliptical arc. If you click on this command, it will ask you to specify the elliptical arc or center. You can select center, or even after selecting this command, instead of selecting the center by using cursor, you can even give C and then enter. It will ask you to specify the center point of the ellipse, and then it will ask you to specify the end point. First let's give 200 feet in the horizontal direction, and in the vertical direction let's give 150 feet, and then it will ask you to specify the angle, specify start angle or parameter. So let's switch off this ortho. So in this way, this is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and 360. Just I'm going to give 120 degree, and then I'll draw like this, and then I'll stop at 360 degree. So it will draw the elliptical arc like this. Again let's draw with some other angle. I'm going to select the center, specify the center point, and then I'm going to give the arc length 400 feet in one direction, and in the other direction let's give 200 feet, and it will ask you to specify the angle. Just I'm going to specify the angle as 90 degree. I'm going to draw the arc like this, and I'll stop at 270 degree so that it will give you the half arc. So in this way, according to your requirement, you can use the angle. So friends, I hope you all learned about ellipse and elliptical arc. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.